Welcome back. Now, what you can do with your email address is you want to set up a forwarder for the email address that you're going to be using as your reply to email address. And to do that, inside of your website control panel, you'll typically want to find an area where you see the word forward or forwarders. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the email address that you created and you're going to write in as an address to forward, and then you're going to use a forward to email address. Now, if you have a support email address that goes to your ticketing system, you'll want to use that email address here in this area. This will assure that all of the email that comes from your customers will be answered in a timely manner and that you'll have record of your reply as well as their request. This is also a case where you're going to want to use the domain signature of your support desk instead of your hosted email. In case something happens to your website or your domain name system, you'll have as many cases as possible where the individual will be able to get to your support desk with their request. If you know how to use some advanced programming techniques, you can pipe the email in the response to a specific program here in this area. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.